What's up, guys?
What's up?
So we got a little update on the 65 Wildcat.
Yep.
Whose car is this?
Sissy's.
This one's for Sissy. What one's yours?
The big monster truck.
What is it called? It's a Dodge
Ram.
Ram Charger.
Yeah,
That one's yours. But this one's Sissy's. So, what did we replace yesterday?
The carburetor.
We replaced the carburetor and got this thing up and running. So, we're excited about it. He actually got to hear it for the first time yesterday. Now, this ain't no regular 65 Buick Wildcat. It's a numbers matching 401. It's got a cam, straight piped all the way to the back. This thing's nice, man. I want to let you guys hear what it sounds like. Let's go.
Let's see if it
Cold start. Ready? Pretty cool. What's that? It's fun. Pretty cool, man. Got that thing up and running though. So time to go ahead and get it. Time to take it into the shop, get a little bit of the paint done, bring it back, or a little bit of the sanding done. Look at a couple of the areas where we got a little bit of rust. Bring it back here, put it in the shop. Oh, yeah. Gonna keep it painted white, super excited. But this thing is gonna be on the road this summer. Yeah, see you guys tonight, 4 p.m. Pacific. Later.